Welcome back. Preparation of lime water. We will see how the preparation will be going on. And before going to that, we need to understand the tabular column which is there in the 7th class textbook. And here, with the help of litmus paper, we need to test. So same tabular columns only, but made into two here. And 22 reagents are there to test with red litmus paper or blue litmus paper, which is available in the market itself. Litmus paper, if we ask means, then in chemical shops we can get, understood, nearly 200 rupees it will cost. Normal means it can range around 50 to 100 rupees also. Standard means we will get 20 200 rupees will be there. And here 22 solutions are there: orange, tomatoes, baking soda, mineral water, vinegar, salt water, shampoo, washing soda, spirit, saliva, cucumber, rich gourd, keera, buttermilk, milk, cool drink, lemon juice, grape water, bathing soap, detergent soap, lime water, sugar water. 22 reagents are there. So just class wise must be arranged here. And when the school starts, then this experiment will be going on. Few people will bring one student will bring one reagent here. Even if in a class 20 strength is there means, then we need to arrange, or 30 or 40 like that. Orange, tomatoes, baking soda, one student like that we need to make. So which solutions will turn red litmus, we need to note, tick here. Which solutions will turn a blue litmus, we need to tick here. And which litmus won't change any color, same color, two only colors will be there, litmus papers, blue color and red color. Blue color litmus paper and red color litmus paper will be present in the market. And blue, if we dip in any solution, if it changes into red, then that is acid. Red litmus, when it turns into blue, it is base. If red litmus is not changing any color, red only, then nothing, it is neutral, understood. Then this in classroom we need to perform. This usually will not be asked in the exam, but you need to understand which are acids and which are bases here. You can normally think orange is an acid, tomato is an acid, baking soda is a base, mineral water is an acid, vinegar is an acid, salt water it is just a neutral. It is why, because acids and bases if we add means neutral will be formed, that means salt will be formed. Shampoo, it is a base. Washing soda, base. Spirit, it is we need to find out this kind of solutions here. Saliva, acid. Cucumber, it is acid. Rich gourd, it is acid. Keera, acid. Buttermilk, it is a base, acid it is. Milk, acidic only. Cool drink, acidic. Lemon juice, acidic. Grape juice, acidic. Bathing soap, base. Detergent soap, base. Lime water, base. Sugar water, base. So these kind of things. Then we will go to the preparation of lime water. For that, what we need is here in this activity, usually for 2 marks will be asked in 7th class. If you remember, preparation of lime water, 2 marks will be asked. For that, first we need to take this lime powder will be available in the market. Even in case of uh, general stores also we can get lime powder, we can ask. So little, 1 spoon we need to take. 1 spoon we need to stir in case of a bowl. Understood, at home will be there bowl, so need not to boil also. Just here the picture is there for boiling, need not to boil. Without boiling also, nowadays pure lime powder only we are getting. Without boiling also we can get. That means little amount of powder we need to take, and then we need to add to the bowl. After that we need to stir in a bottle. So close the bottle and stir well, very vigorously you stir well, and it will stir like that. Can you see the turbidity is formed? Turbidity completely formed here. So the turbidity is formed, and it will be like that only. And after that you need to filter it, filter and put aside for 24 hours. One day you need to put like that only, filter it and put like that only. And then next day morning we can use how much we need, we can take into the test tube for our experiments. Understood? So this is the procedure. Usually this is the procedure we need to follow. And then next, how much is needed, then we can take that into a different test tube, then we can make into the thing. And before making this, we need to understand that these all lime waters which are available, we need to use it for our science experiments. And let us see here testing of acids and bases. What are acids and what are bases? All these three classes we are discussing about acids and bases. So just see this image here. When blue litmus paper is turning red and red litmus paper is turning into red like that only. These solutions are called as acids. That means, can you see in that beaker, hydrochloric acid is there, HCl acid is there, dangerous acid, second dangerous acid in the world after sulfuric acid. Just hydrochloric acid, if we pour on our chappals get damages within seconds. So usually this only will be dangerous in the laboratory. And hydrochloric acid, now they are adding into two of the things. Can you see here, left side blue litmus paper is there, right side red litmus paper is there on the table. Understood? On the table we are adding that solution acid, we are adding to blue litmus and red litmus. Can you see here, we take an acid and add into blue litmus and red litmus. Then can you see color change, both are red color only. Red color whenever it is getting, it is acid, you need to remember. Why? Because if you pour acid on our skin, blood will be coming, no, blood will be in red in color. So remember, red acid will be in red in color. Acid is dangerous, color is red. So remember that whenever any solution that makes litmus paper to turn into red color, it is called as acid. Understood? Blue litmus paper will definitely turn into red color when it is acid. Understood? This you need to remember. Then we come into this picture now. Here ammonia is there. Ammonia, when it is adding to litmus, it is changing into color blue. So it is basic. Understood? That means adding drop of ammonia and here and there, and it is giving basic. When any solution changes red litmus paper to blue color, it is basic. Any solution which is changing blue color, red color litmus paper to blue, it is called as basic. So bases, acids and bases, you need to remember. Here blue litmus paper on the left side given, red litmus paper right side given. So when we are adding a drop on the paper, it is giving blue color. So litmus paper is turning into blue color. Blue color, if it is getting, means what is the meaning here? You need to understand, it is base. Why I am reading again and again, why I am teaching again and again, means to get clarity in the lower classes. In the 7th class, these basics you need to put in your brain like that only. Otherwise, even after getting 10th class, you don't know the meaning of acids, bases, litmus paper, red litmus paper, that one. One thing if you remember means you can remember the other. If any solution changing into red color, it is acid. Here red color you can see acid, red is acid, finish, remaining is blue only. Understood? Two things only you need to remember. And if you see blue is dipped in acid, what color? Red it changes. Can you see? It is changing into red color. Blue litmus, when it turns into red, it is called as acid. Easily we can see from this picture. Think that as if you are only putting that into the acid, then it turns into red. Then it is known as acid. Blue litmus, when it is dipped in acid, it turns into red. Then what will happen when red color dipped in a solution? Here it is. Red color when dipped in any solution, it turns into blue. Then it is basic. Red color litmus paper, when it is dipped in the solution, then that turning into blue, then it is called as basic. Very simple. So here you see means it turning into red, so acid. Here if you see means it turning into blue, it is base. Acid, base, you need to remember. The solutions are called as acid solutions which turn the litmus paper into red. Solutions which turn the red litmus paper into blue are base. Blue, base.